Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you this project animation in Blender. Let's get started. First open Blender and select all, X to delete, import your 3D can, good, and Shift D to duplicate, and select second can and go to shading tabs and click slot, select main texture and click copy option and Shift A, search hue saturation, drop here and hue type 0.120, good, and go to layout, select second can and go to object, quick effect and cell fracture. The add-on check in preferences, go to edit, preferences, add-ons, type cell fracture, check this and can cell preferences, done, and go to object, quick effect, cell fracture, noise 0, okay, and click OK. Please wait. Done, and delete second can, X to delete, and select one of these part and go to physics, add rigid body on this, activate, good, and select all, go to object, rigid body and copy from active, good, and press spacebar for play animation. It's very good, and Shift A, add camera, Alt R, G, X, move on X axis, R, X 90 degrees, again R, Z 90 degrees, G, Z, move up, number 0 to camera view, G, X, very good, G, X, move little bit, very good, and select camera and GY, move Y axis, or rotate, done, and go to one frame, go to rigid body world, speed, and 7 frame, in 6 frame or 7 frame, speed, and click this point, add single keyframe and go to 8 frame and go to speed, I type 0.02, enter and click this, add single keyframe for play animation, well done, and cache, click big, click and play animation. Very good, and select camera and go to king on and press G space, add single keyframe for camera and 50 frame, G, X, G, Y, and second keyframe, third keyframe and G, Y, or Z, good, and Control B, first camera and Shift D, add second camera and Control B, G, Y, or and Z axis, select this keyframe Okay, and go to reprojeting and go to world, strength type, no, add HDRI, environment texture. Okay, and shift A, add cylinder, is to scale up, and go to material, click view, and color, this color is completely black, roughness, no, specular is 0, very good. Play animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.